If you've seen what I put in the tire planter, you already know that when it comes to annuals, I like an absolute riot of color. So today, I'll be adding pink, purple, and indigo to the mix. I've got a fuchsia here with tons of buds and a couple of blooms and a lobelia that's already started blooming. Let's get these babies potted up so I can put them outside. I got these beautiful little guys at Chelsea Garden Center in Brooklyn last week. The lobelia came in a little 6-pack, which is awesome. So what I'm gonna do is put the fuchsia in with 2 of the lobelia in one pot and the 4 lobelia in the other. I have a 2-tier plant stand outside, so the fuchsia and lobelia will go on top and the pot with just lobelia will go on the bottom. Let's do the mixed pot first. I've got my weed blocker fabric here to cover the drainage hole so it won't lose soil every time I water. I'll fill it halfway up with Happy Frog potting mix. Now, I'll take the fuchsia out and loosen up the roots a bit and put it sort of towards the back. I have always wanted a fuchsia. They're so pretty. The flowers have pink, one might even say fuchsia petals on the outside and purple centers. And now I'll put 2 lobelias toward the front. Oh, these guys are root bound. They're gonna be happy in a pot. This is my absolute favorite lobelia. That deep indigo color is just straight up eye candy. And then I'll fill the rest in with more potting mix. Now, the easy one. Weed blocker, cover up that hole and fill it about halfway full with soil. And pop the rest of the lobelia in. Okay, we're all set. I can't wait to see these all filled in and blooming like crazy. What's your favorite annual? Let me know in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching. Now, let's get these babies outside on the stand. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I release a new video. You can also find me on Instagram at planty.gen, where I share photos and tips as well. If you'd like to learn more about me, please visit my website at plantygenstinylandscapes.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Time for that theme song.
If your plants look sad and you've lost all hope, tried everything, you're at the end of your rope. Should you throw them out into the street? Nope, just ask Planty Jen. If you wanna be a planty acolyte, learn the tips and tricks to keep them growing right. Water, fertilizer, and the right amount of light, just ask Planty Jen.